What's up people, welcome back to another exciting vlog. And yes, we are still here. Today is day one dinner vlog, and we are gonna do some grilling. It's already around 7 o'clock. The sun has set, so this is west. The sun is totally down. We are outside. Everybody has started their fire pit. Marvel has been fed, walked, pooped, peed, everything. So we are ready to start for our dinner. But first, I'm gonna set up Marvel's little area here so he can sit by the fire pit. So that's what I'm gonna do.
He's gonna get Marvel's bed. Whoop. Yeah, it's right here. And we're gonna put his bed on top of this. Marvel, stay. 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 So the weather is so pretty and so beautiful. It's like you can wear full sleeve, you can wear your hoodie. It's perfect cozy weather to sit outside. Tonight's dinner menu is paneer sandwiches in the grill and potato sandwiches. That's a s'mores, Marvel. S'mores kit. You can go and sit on your bed, okay, whenever you want, sir.
Did it before.
Here. Oh, look at that. It's grilling the paneer here. Oh my god, it's going to be so delicious. And there's one sandwich going on. Look at that. Alright. And Marvel is having fun here with his beefy bone. He's enjoying it, right, Marvel? Made the sauce back home, and then we got it. I'm just gonna apply the sauce all over the sandwiches. Today is basically sandwich night. The paneer is here. I'm gonna assemble the sandwich real quick. pool is here. You cannot see properly, but we're sitting right here. Marva is right here, and it's beautiful.
We are inside. It's almost 9 o'clock and it's pitch dark outside because we have now actually I just put water on the fire because you're supposed to do that. So we have done that. All we can hear is the forest right now outside. So it's pretty amazing to take a break from the city life. And I'm saying this like as if I live in New York. So not city life, but yeah, you know what I mean. Just day-to-day busy to just get away from this. So next up, we are gonna just organize everything so that we are ready for tomorrow. And we are gonna see you in our next vlog tomorrow. So until then, bye bye. Hope you guys had a lot of fun for our dinner vlog. Bye.